Hello students, in this video we are going to see about hollow cylinder. So in the last video we have discussed CSA, TSA and volume of cylinder. So in this video we are going to see the volume CSA and TSA of a hollow cylinder. Okay, let us see how the hollow cylinder will be. Look here. So what shape is this? It is a cylinder, okay? It is in the shape of cylinder, okay? Cylindrical shape. So how the hollow cylinder will be? See here. So the hollow cylinder is like nothing but in the shape of circular pipe, cylindrical pipe. So inside we can pour water, or it is a empty space out there. Empty space is there inside the hollow cylinder. So right circular cylinder means it is a solid, but hollow cylinder is a solid shape, but inside there will be a empty space. How the pipe will be? So for example, if it is a pipe, definitely it should have the pipe should have the width. So you may know 10 mm, 3 mm, like they will calculate it. So this is called thickness. The thickness of the hollow cylinder. So this is thickness, and as usual this is height, and this is height is same, but there will be a 2 radius. See, so if we look at the top, so if you look at the top or one side, it look like a ring. So this is the inner radius and this is outer radius. This is the top of the top view and the bottom view of the hollow cylinder. So this will be empty space, this is thickness, and this is from the center, this is inner radius and this is outer radius. Here also we can mark inner radius, outer radius. So the inner radius will be smaller than the outer radius. Outer radius will be little larger than the inner radius. So we are representing the inner radius by R, and we are representing the outer radius by capital R, and height will be same, that is h. Okay, clear? So this is the thing about the shape, the actual shape of the hollow cylinder. Okay, so how to find the CSA, TSA and volume of a cylinder, hollow cylinder? So first see CSA, okay, CSA means already we know curved surface area is equal to curved surface area of a hollow cylinder is equal to, here even though it is curved surface area, there are two curves are there, the outer curve and the inner curve. So this is the outer curve and inner curve is there. So this because there is an empty space, so inner curve is also there. And so நம்ம வீட்டில் பைப்பெல்லாம் நீங்கள் எடுத்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the outer surface area will be there, and inside the pipe there will be an inner surface. So the inner surfaceக்கும் outer surfaceக்கும் இடையில் இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த thickness தான், that is width of the pipe, thickness of the pipe. Okay, clear? Okay, the curved surface area is, the entire CSA is curved surface area. We are not including the top and bottom, only the curved surface area, the outer curved surface area and inner curved surface area. So outer CSA plus inner CSA of a CSA of a hollow cylinder is outer CSA plus inner CSA. So we know the formula of CSA of a cylinder, that is 2 pi r h. Here the outer surface area means the radius will be capital R. So 2 pi r h will be same for both inner surface, அது உள் பக்கமாக இருந்தாலும் வெளி பக்கமாக இருந்தாலும் height will be same, only the radius will be differ. So 2 pi r h, inner surface area smaller because this is inner radius, capital R is outer radius. So 2 pi r h, here only 2 pi is common, height is also common, only the radius is different. So here what are the common? 2 pi h are common factor. So 2 pi h into remaining terms capital R, this plus 2 pi r h already common factor, so remaining term r. So this is the square unit. This is the curved surface area of a hollow cylinder. So cylinder ke 2 pi r h matram. If it is a curved surface area, 2 radius will be there because it is a hollow cylinder. So 2 pi r h plus r. Clear? Okay, next TSA of a TSA of a hollow cylinder, total surface area of a hollow cylinder. So what is mean by total surface area? Already we studied in the first video. Total surface area means CSA plus top and bottom, area of the top and area of the bottom. So here also the same thing, CSA of a hollow cylinder plus area of a top plus area of bottom. So CSA already we have found 2 pi r h into 2 pi h into r plus r plus area of a top. How the top will be? If it is a solid cylinder, area will look like a circle. வெறும் சிம்பிளாக ஒரு சிலிண்டர் மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஏரியா the top எப்படி இருக்கும்? Top will be like a circle. If it is a hollow cylinder like this, if it is a hollow cylinder like this, how the top will be? Top will be the top of a hollow cylinder will be a ring. The top of the hollow cylinder will be look like a ring. So how to find the area of the ring? So in 8th standard and 9th standard you have studied this. Area of a circular ring is equal to pi capital R square minus small r square. This is, which means pi r square minus area of a outer circle minus area of a inner circle, pi r square. So pi is a common factor, pi into r square minus r square. So area of a circular ring, pi capital R square minus small r square plus pi capital R square minus small r square. This is for top, this is for bottom, both are same. So 2 pi h into r plus r, these two terms are same, pi capital R square minus small r square, pi capital R square minus small r square. So இது ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணோம்னா 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. This is 1x, this is another x, because ரெண்டுமே சேமாக இருக்குது. ஸோ 2x. ஸோ ஒரு pi r square minus r square, pi r square minus r square is equal to 2 pi r square minus r square. So now we have to take the common factor. 2 pi is common factor for this is one term, this is another term. In this both the term 2 pi is the common term. 2 pi into remaining h into r plus r plus r square minus r square. 2 pi h into r plus r plus this a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So 2 pi, in this both term r plus r is common, r plus r into h plus into h plus r minus. So this is the formula to find the total surface area of the hollow cylinder. சரியா? So 2 pi r plus r, h plus r minus r is a total surface area of a hollow cylinder. இந்த ஃபார்முலா இவ்வளோ டீட்டெயிலாக பண்ணாமல் if you want to இங்கே நீ அப்ளை பண்ணனாலும் you can apply, but it will be very simple to simplify the numbers. So this is the formula to find the TSA of a hollow cylinder formula, CSA of the hollow cylinder formula. Then what about the volume? What about the volume? Volume வந்து வேறு ஒன்றுமே கிடையாது. only the volume is, ரெண்டு சிலிண்டர் இருக்குது, இதோட வால்யூம் மாத்திரம் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். we have to find the volume of this thickness. Okay, not the capacity of the space. So capacity of the space na simply we can use the first formula, a volume of a cylinder, but the volume of a hollow cylinder is the metal or the thing that they have used to form this hollow cylinder. So volume of a hollow cylinder is equal to volume of the same formula. எப்படி இங்கே ஏரியா கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு பெரிய சர்க்கிளில் சின்ன சர்க்கிளை சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணமோ, similarly we will subtract the volume of the smaller cylinder from the volume of the big cylinder. So volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. So what is the volume of outer cylinder? Pi r square, outer radius is capital R, so pi r square h. ரெண்டுக்குமே for both the cylinder we are going to use the volume formula by r square h. Because of the outer radius capital R, we are using capital R here for outer cylinder. Inner radius of inner cylinder is smaller, so minus volume of inner cylinder by small r square h. The common terms are pi h. Pi h is the common term, remaining r square minus r square. So this is the volume of a hollow cylinder. Either way you can write it as, or you can write like this: pi h into r plus r into r minus r square unit. Volume of hollow cylinder. Or you can use that method. Okay, what we have done is we have used a minus b whole a square minus b square identity here. So this is the simple formula, or you can write like this and you can multiply. Okay, so these are the three formulas of hollow cylinder: CSE of a hollow cylinder, TSE of a hollow cylinder, and volume of a hollow cylinder. So ஒரு hollow cylinder கொடுத்து அதோட inner radius outer radius கொடுத்துட்டு, if they are asking CSE, find the CSE of a hollow cylinder, we have to use the first formula. If they are giving inner radius and outer radius, if they are asking TSA, we have to use the second formula. Volume கேட்டாங்கன்னா we can use the third formula. Just we have to apply the value of R, capital R and small r, and also height. Okay, very simple. Sometimes they will give the diameter of the, they will give the base diameter, inner diameter, outer diameter. So inner diameter small d, outer diameter capital D. So inner, using this, inner radius is equal to inner diameter by 2, outer radius is equal to outer diameter by 2. diameter கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா அதை 2ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணி radius கண்டுபிடிச்சுக்கணும். So because radius is half of the diameter. Okay, so very simple formula, so you can understand easily, I think. Thank you.